Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, watch the videos regularly and complete your work. Children, I welcome you all once again to class 3 computer. If you watch the video children, you must be aware that in the previous video we were doing chapter 4, that is Windows operating system. So children, Windows operating system, we had completed the chapter and we were doing book exercise. We had completed question number A, B and C. Now in the previous video we were doing question number D. Question number D children, we have question answers. Under this we have 4 questions. Till now we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3. So let us revise these questions and move further into the exercise. So here children, our question number 1 is, firstly question is D, answer ANSWER, answer the following FOWNG, following questions, 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 answer the following questions. Under this children, first question is question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is Windows 7? So children, we had done this question in our previous video. As you know, Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. So children, Microsoft is a company who has developed MS Windows 7. So here you will write, what is Windows 7? What is Windows 7? As we know children, answer number 1, window WINDOW, window 7 is an operating system. Windows 7 is an operating system developed, DEVELOPED, developed by Microsoft. So children, Microsoft is a company who has developed MS Windows. So children, here we will write Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. So first question is, what is Windows 7? You will write Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. So जो Windows 7 है, operating system है. As you know children, the main task or the purpose of the operating system is switch on or restart a computer, and it also takes care of all the different parts, whether it is hardware part of the computer or it is application software, how they are working and whether they are working properly or not. So whatever is being done in the computer is, all these things are managed and controlled by the operating system. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, उस वही पूरे कंप्यूटर, जो भी आपके कंप्यूटर में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल है, वो पूरा सिस्टम देखता है. तो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि what type of operating system you are installing in your system. So here, if you talk about MS Windows is also one of the operating system and it is developed by Microsoft. Microsoft is a company which has developed MS Windows. So children, this was first question which we had done in the previous video also. Now let us do question number 2. In question number 2 children, what does a starting button contain? Now children, in question number 2 you are going to write, what does a start button contain? As we know children, when we were studying about desktop, we also studied about taskbar. So there is a bar present at the bottom of the window. This bar is called taskbar. On the taskbar we have a button called start button. सबसे नीचे बॉटम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे हमारे पास स्टार्ट बटन है, जिसको हम स्टार्ट बटन कहते हैं. फ्रॉम हियर वी गो टू द मेन्यू एंड इन द मेन्यू वी हैव डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेल what all are present in the start button. स्टार्ट बटन को क्लिक करने के बाद हमें क्या क्या मिलता है और क्या क्या उसमें होता है. सो लेट अस राइट. So here children, we have written in the previous video also this answer. Let us revise. So here you will write a start button contains, you will write a start button contains different, answer is, पहले हम क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हमारे पास है, what does 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 a START start BUTTON button contain, CONTAIN contain. What does a start button contain? As we know children, in answer you will write start button, a start 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 button BUTTON button. A start button contains, children, a start button contains menu, sub-menu and the turn off computer command. As we know children, a start button contains menu, sub-menu and turn off computer command. So children, start button contains menu means all those programs which are installed in the computer are there in the menu bar के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो जितने भी इंस्टॉल्ड प्रोग्राम हमारे कंप्यूटर में होते हैं वो मेनू में ही होते हैं. So when we click on a start button children, we get a list of मेनू मिलता है जिसमें लिस्ट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, इसमें बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं विच वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड इन आवर कंप्यूटर. देन इन अंडर दैट प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो वी हैव सम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स, देयर ऑल्सो वी हैव अनदर मेनू दैट इज कॉल्ड सब मेनू, मेन मेनू एंड उसके बाद दूसरा मेनू होता है सब मेनू. एंड अदर देन दैट चिल्ड्रन, द स्टार्ट बटन वी ऑल्सो हैव शट डाउन बटन. आपने देखा होगा अगर हमें अपने कंप्यूटर को शट डाउन करना होता है तो वी गो टू start button, we click on start button. When we click on the start button children, there is a small menu where we have sleep, restart or shut down, ये सारे options होते हैं. So shut down command is also there in the start button only. So you will write here, आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे the answer will be a start button contains menu, sub-menu and turn off computer command. Turn off computer, COMMAND command. A start button contains menu, sub-menu and turn off computer command. So start button we have menu, सबसे पहले menu होता है, उसके अंदर sub-menu होता है, then we have turn off computer command, that is shut down option also we have in the start menu only. So here start button only. So what does a start button contain? A start button contains menu, sub-menu and turn off computer command. Turn off computer command. So here with this we have done question number 2 also, we have revised question number 2 also. Let us do our third question children. Third question we had not done yesterday, so let us start today's topic. There is a long bar present at the bottom of the desktop. This bar is called task bar. So children, if you talk about the task bar, this bar extends from left to right and it shows different options, that is starting from the start button. If you look at the task bar children, page number 27, there is a desktop screen. At the bottom of desktop screen there is a ribbon like bar. This extends from left to right of the desktop children. ये एकदम desktop के नीचे होता है and this bar is known as task bar and this contains start button. Task bar shows, you will write here answer में आप लिखेंगे task bar shows start button, task bar icon, then we have notification area and date and time. So if you talk about task bar children, so you will write, let us write in points. Task bar, TASK task, BAR bar shows, SHOWS shows firstly सबसे पहले हमारे पास टास्क बार पे स्टार्ट बटन होता है, START स्टार्ट, BUTTON बटन, स्टार्ट बटन. Secondly children, secondly we have task bar icon, TASK task, BAR bar icon, task bar icon. Then we have notification area, NOTIFI notification area, area. Then we have last one, we have date and time, date, DATE date, and time, TIME time. So these are the options which we can see on the task bar. So task bar shows start button, task bar icon, notification area, date and time. Task bar shows start button, task bar icon, notification area, and date and time. So these are the things which you can see on the task bar. So children, you will write question number 3. Write question number 3 and the answer. Now we will come to the next question. Our next question, yani the last question is, in last question we have, what is the use of a mouse pointer? What is the use of a mouse pointer? So mouse pointer children, first of all let us see what is mouse pointer. So children, if you can see this kind of structure or the arrow on the screen, this arrow is called mouse pointer. इसको हम mouse pointer कहते हैं. This arrow is called mouse pointer. Now children, what is the use of this mouse pointer? In question number 4, you are going to write what is the use of this mouse pointer. So the question is, I hope you have done question number 3. The question is question number 4. Question number 4 we have, what is WHAT? What is the use of a mouse pointer? Mouse, POINTER. Mouse pointer is a part means it is found on the desktop. Children, when you switch on your computer, you will get the first screen. That first screen is called desktop. On the desktop you will see this arrow shaped structure called mouse pointer. This mouse pointer is controlled by the mouse. If you move the mouse, this mouse pointer will also move. So with the help of mouse, we move this mouse pointer, and this mouse pointer is used to पॉइंट समथिंग डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. अगर स्क्रीन पे कोई भी चीज़ डिस्प्लेड है, शो हो रहा है, तो उसे हम उसी से डिस्प्ले पॉइंट करते हैं, यानी शो करते हैं, दिखाते हैं. वी कैन क्लिक एनी आइटम once or twice. By clicking once or twice we can open the icon on the desktop also. So here this mouse pointer is used for clicking once or twice. अगर हमको किसी भी चीज़ पे जा करके एक बार या दो बार क्लिक करके इसको ओपन करना है, सेलेक्ट करना है, दैट ऑल्सो वी डू बाई यूजिंग दिस पॉइंटर. सो हम ऐसे तो आंसर नहीं लिखेंगे, दिस इज ओनली टू एक्सप्लेन. सो यू विल राइट यूजिंग द माउस पॉइंटर या माउस पॉइंटर हेल्प्स यू टू. आंसर में आप लिखेंगे आंसर फॉर द माउस पॉइंटर POINTER pointer helps you YOU to helps you to point click double click or double click 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 or double click the various item displayed the screen, on the SCREEN screen. So dear children, the mouse pointer helps you to point, click or double click the various items displayed on the screen. So children, whatever is displayed on the screen is, so children, whatever is displayed on the screen, display करना to show, जो भी स्क्रीन पे हमें दिखाई देता है उसे हम पॉइंट कर सकते हैं, उसको डबल क्लिक कर सकते हैं, सिंगल क्लिक कर सकते हैं और उसे किसी भी तरह से हम उसे मूव कर सकते हैं या फिर हमें उसे हम ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हैं। तो किसी भी चीज़ को सेलेक्ट करना हो, मूव करना हो, सिंगल क्लिक करना हो, डबल क्लिक करना है तो वी यूज़ द माउस पॉइंटर। सो द माउस पॉइंटर हेल्प्स यू टू पॉइंट, क्लिक और डबल क्लिक द वेरियस आइटम्स डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन। तो जितने भी आइटम स्क्रीन पे या फिर आप यहाँ पे डेस्कटॉप भी लिख सकते हो, डेस्कटॉप पे डिस्प्लेड होते हैं उनको हम डबल क्लिक कर सकते हैं, सिंगल क्लिक कर सकते हैं या फिर हम पॉइंट कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द माउस पॉइंटर। सो चिल्ड्रन, विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. Now we will do our next question. As you know children, in the next question we have question E, we have application based question. After every chapter we have one application based question which is to prove that how much we have understood from the chapter. So here whatever we have understood from the chapter, we are going to use our knowledge in applying for solving this question. So children, these questions are life skill questions जहाँ पे हमने जो भी सीखा है उसे हम अप्लाई करके इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। तो हमने चैप्टर पढ़ा है, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड ऑल्सो. Suman wants to open MS Paint. Now children, Suman wants to open MS Paint but she does not know how to do it. Help her to open it. Now children, we are going to open MS Paint. As you know children, when we have learned how to switch on a computer and we have also learned how to go to any program. हमने ये सारी चीज़ें इस चैप्टर में सीखी है. Now we are going to use this knowledge in starting one of the program. तो अभी तक हमने सीखा है कि when we switch on a computer, we reach the first field which appears in front of us is desktop window. तो सबसे पहला जो स्क्रीन हमारे पास खुलता है that is called desktop window. And from the desktop window children, we will click on start button. अगर हमको कोई भी प्रोग्राम चाहिए तो हम सीधा स्टार्ट बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड आफ्टर स्टार्ट बटन चिल्ड्रन यू विल गेट द मेनू से आप यू विल go to window accessories and from the window accessories children you will choose MS Paint and जैसे ही आप MS Paint को choose करोगे and you will click on MS Paint choice, you will have another window on your screen. That window is called MS Paint window. From there you can draw and color. तो सिर्फ हमसे यहाँ पे पूछा गया how will you start MS window, आप MS window को start कैसे करोगे. तो we are going to now learn how to start MS window. So here children, in this we have already learned how to shut down, and in the chapter we have already learned how to start a program or how to restart a program, and we have also studied how to start any application. So MS Window is a application, MS Paint is a application. So here in this question we are going to tell Suman how to start MS Paint. So MS Paint एक application है. तो we will first of all question number E. Question number E question is application based question. ये जो हमारा question है ये है application based question. BASED based question. QUESTION question. In this question children we have a situation. हमें यहाँ पे situation दिया हुआ है. What is the situation? The situation is children, you are going to help Suman in starting the MS Paint. So let us first write the question. हम question लिखते हैं. Okay, so the question is Suman, SUMAN, Suman wants to, WANTES, wants to open, Suman wants to open MS Paint, MSPAINT, Paint, MS Paint. Suman wants to open MS Paint. Now, but she does not know, KNOW, know how Paint. How to do it? Yeah, Suman wants to open MS Paint, but she does not know how to start. Yeah, how to open it. O-P-E-N. Open it. Now, yeah, how to do it? How to do it? So help her, H-E-L-P, help her to open it, to O-P-E-N, open it. Now children, Suman wants to open MS Paint, but she does not know how to do it. Help her to open it. Now children, as you know, Suman wants to open MS Paint, but she does not know how to do it. उसे कैसे करना है? तो you have studied the chapter and you have understood also. Now you are going to tell her how to open MS Paint. आप उसे बताओगे कि MS Paint कैसे open करना है. तो यहाँ पे children, as we know, first of all we will click on. So this is question. Read the question so that I can rub it. Question is application based question. Here we are going to apply our knowledge, whatever we have achieved from the chapter, in solving this situation. That is, Suman is your friend, wants to open MS Paint, but she does not know how to do it. Help her to open it. Now, अब उसे पता नहीं है कि MS Paint कैसे खुलेगा, तो आप उसे help करोगे खोलने में. Now children, what will you do? We will write the answer. Answer is, first of all, you will ask her to click on start button. सबसे पहले first step, click on start, S-T-A-R-T, start button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. Click on start button. Second children, secondly, first of all you will click on start button. Then what will you do? Then you will click on all programs, C-L-I-C-K, click on A-double-L, all, P-R-O-G-R-A-M, all program. Click on all programs. सबसे पहले you will click on start button, click on all program. फिर second step में you will click on all programs. उसके बाद you will get another menu. Here click on accessories. Thirdly, click on you will click on accessories, A-C-C-E-S-S-O-R-I-E-S, accessories. It can be window accessories भी आप कह सकते हो. अगर विंडो है आपके कंप्यूटर में तो वो विंडो accessories कह के दिखाएगा. और and all the programs will be arranged in alphabetical order. So you will have to scroll down your start menu. नीचे जाके W से आपको विंडो accessories मिलेगा. You will click on window accessories, and then children, after clicking on window accessories, you will get sub menu. In that you will get you will have that paint program, and you will now click on paint, P-A-I-N-T. From here you will click on paint. So children, with this, click on start button, click on all programs, click on accessories, now click on paint. So as I told you children, this is application based question. Whatever we have learned from the question, we are applying here to solve this situation. So children, here in this question we are asked to help our friend Suman to open MS Paint. हमें सुमन को MS Paint खोलने में हेल्प करनी है. तो हमने कंप्यूटर खोलना सीख लिया, ऑन करना सीख लिया. नाउ वी हैव लर्न ऑल अबाउट द डेस्कटॉप भी हमको समझ में आ गया. नाउ वी विल गो टू द स्टार्ट बटन विच इज प्रेजेंट एट द लेफ्ट बॉटम ऑफ द स्क्रीन. लेफ्ट बॉटम स्क्रीन पे, लेफ्ट बॉटम डेस्कटॉप पे हमें एक बटन मिलेगा जिस पे स्टार्ट लिखा होता है. दैट इज स्टार्ट बटन. यू विल क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट बटन. व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट बटन चिल्ड्रन, यू विल गेट लिस्ट ऑफ प्रोग्राम, एंड दिस लिस्ट इज कॉल्ड मेनू. इसे हम मेन्यू कहते हैं। मेन्यू में नीचे हमारे पास एक ऑल प्रोग्राम होगा। जब ऑल प्रोग्राम पे करेंगे तो बाकी के सारे जितने भी इंस्टॉल्ड प्रोग्राम आपके कंप्यूटर में होंगे वो सब ओपन हो जाएंगे। नाउ फ्रॉम ऑल प्रोग्राम चिल्ड्रन यू विल हैव टू सर्च फॉर विंडो एसेसरीज, क्योंकि विंडो एसेसरीज W से स्टार्ट होता है। इट स्टार्ट्स विथ W, इट कम्स एट द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द मेनू। तो आप स्क्रॉल करके नीचे जाओगे, W पे जाओगे, द लेटर्स W पे जाओगे, देन यू विल सर्च फॉर विंडो एसेसरीज। You will click on window accessories. When you click on window accessories children, you will get another program list. In that you have paint, आपको वहाँ पे paint मिलेगा. From there you will click on paint. When you click on paint, you will get another window on your in front of you. That window is called paint window. And on top of the paint window children, there will be written untitled paint. And untitled paint लिखा होगा. Now you can understand this is paint window. तो ये हमारा paint window है. So now children, with this we have understood how to open MS Paint. Now you are able to tell Suman also. Now Suman must be able to open Paint. Now she can draw and color. यहाँ पे after reaching this page, she can draw and color. So with this children, we have done question number E also. Question number E में हमने we told Suman how to start MS Paint. First of all, we asked her to click on Start button. First of all, she will click on Start button, and then from there she will click on All Programs. All programs will be shown on your screen. You will click on all program. From all programs she will click on window accessories, and from there she will click on, now she will click on paint. So with this children, there will be a screen in front of her. That screen is called paint window. उस screen को या उस window को हम paint window कहेंगे. So children, for identifying the paint window, you can see the title written over there. On the top, untitled paint लिखा होगा. That means कि paint का window है. Now you are ready. Your screen is ready. Your computer is ready to draw and paint. You can draw and paint from there. So children, coming to the next page, that is page number 35. Here we have another screen. You can see here. There is a screen, and this screen is of a desktop. ये desktop का screen है. You can identify the window. In this window we can see desktop screen. इस window में हमको desktop screen दिखाई दे रहा है. Question number F, label the given screen correctly. Now there is a question where you have to identify the pictures which are given here, and you are asked to label these pictures. जहाँ पे भी arrow बना है and there is a box, you are going to identify those pictures and label those pictures. So if you look at the picture children, this is a picture of a window desktop. ये window desktop का picture है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हमारे desktop पे दिखाई देती हैं, all these things has to be labeled. इन सब चीज़ों को label करना है, उनके नाम बताना है. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो there is a screen. On the screen you have window flag at the back. पीछे window flag है, और इस window flag में children you can see, यहाँ पे आपके window flag में सबसे पहले तो there is a arrow है. Arrow, you will identify the arrow as mouse pointer and you will write mouse pointer in the box. आप box में mouse pointer लिखोगे. So we are doing page number 55 and question number F. यहाँ पे हम page number 35 कर रहे हैं. page number 35, ये है page number 35 और question number F. This is question number F. Label, L-A-B-E-L, label, the, T-H-E, the, G-I-V-E-N, given, label the given screen, S-C-R-E-E-L, screen, carefully, C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, fully. So children, carefully means you will observe the window. जो पिक्चर यहाँ दिया उसे आप carefully observe करोगे and then you will label this, label each and every which is asked to label. तो यहाँ पे there is a box. जहाँ पे भी लेबल करना है वहाँ पे हमें इस तरह का बॉक्स बना हुआ है. यू आर गोइंग टू आइडेंटिफाई, वहाँ पे एक एरो बना हुआ है. यू आर गोइंग टू आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर एंड राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट पिक्चर इन द बॉक्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. सबसे पहले हमारे लेफ्ट हैंड कॉर्नर में टॉप पे देर आर 2 पिक्चर्स एंड दीज पिक्चर्स आर ऑफ द icon. These two pictures are the picture of icon. So you will write here icon. You will write here icon. So children, यहाँ पे आप लेबल करोगे icon, ICON, icon. Now यहाँ पे हमारे पास icon के दो पिक्चर है जिसे हमें लेबल करना है. These are the picture of icon. So you will write icon. Then we have children, there is another picture and this picture is of mouse pointer. Arrow है, arrow को हम mouse pointer कहते हैं. So you will write mouse pointer. Below that we have menu. हमें मेनू दिखाई दे रहा है, वहाँ पे हम मेनू लिखेंगे, प्रोग्राम मेनू. देन वी हैव स्टार्ट बटन, यू विल राइट स्टार्ट बटन. एंड देन वी हैव ऑल द व्हाट इज शोन ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. सब कुछ है, बट चिल्ड्रन एज वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम हियर, we have come to the end of this video. So first of all, let us end this video. We will be reading all about this question in the next video, and in the next video we will do this question once again and complete it. So children, go through the exercise which we have done today. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day ahead.